So good day. So I am here. We will be making simple calculator in VB.NET. So first, let's open our Visual Studio and then create a new project and then select Visual Basic here, Visual Basic, and then select the Windows Forms app for the GUI. Then let's name our project Calculator. Then press create. So here we are. So this is our form. So we can adjust the size of it. And then here's our toolbox. And then our so first, let's design first our form. So text box. Just select the multi-line so that you can adjust. And then next is the button. So you can design this however you like. So let's just make this a simple design. So let's just design it this way. That. And then for the another button here, that's it. So first, let's change the properties. Let's configure our button. So just put 1, 2, then let's change this to into our operators. So plus, minus, multiply, and then division to divide. Then here for our erase, let's see, and then off. Let's just say off like that, and then our equal here, and then next r to the power, and then for our negative, and then let's put some label here, then let's configure this. So let's erase the name, then change middle right, same process in our other label, and then middle center. So we are done putting our buttons here and our text box. So let's proceed to write the code. So first, and then let's just call our text box 1, the text box 1, the text, then let's call our button 1. So I'll just copy this code because they have the same code in our 1, 2, 3, and 9 buttons. So just copy and then just change this to the same process. So this same process in here. This is what you do. You just change the numbers. Oops. Change to 4. 7. Then same here. So just put the dot and then the 0, then double 0. Oops. Just like that. So let's proceed in our operator. So let's write the code. So let's call the label 1. That text equals to our text box. So we put label 1 text here because earlier when we design our form, so I put label here, to label. So if you write something, so first they will go to the text box and then after it will go to the label. So you can see what numbers you're trying to multiply or calculate. So let's continue. So our label 2, then same that text. So equals and our operator we use. Then text box 1, that text. So we're just calling our text boxes and then let's just put empty here. And that's it. So just copy the code, this, because this is the same code you will put in your other operator. So same, it's just the same, but oops, you need to change the operator sign. So change this to division. I mean different. So we're minusing. And then next to our multiplication. So let's just change this also. And then same process in here. Just put the division or the divide. And then let's write the code in our erase button. So first, let's call our text box 1 again. Text box 1 dot text. And then empty. And then next is, let's call our label 2 so that it will also erase what's in it in our label 2. Oops. So copy the code again and then let's write in our off button. So same process, but in our off button it will delete all. So let's just add the label 1 here so that it will also delete what it's in it in the label 1. So this is it. And then next in our equal. So this is where we calculate to get the result of what we needed. So first, we're gonna use the if condition. So let's use if, say our label 2 equals, and then in our operator, the addition, and then, and then text box, let's call our text box 1, then val, then what is in it, and our label 1, then add the plus sign because we're doing plus here, and then in our text box 1. So first we put label 1 here because when you add another number for you to calculate, the first number you enter will be put in the label 1. So this is how our code to process. So what's in it in the label 1 will be add by what's in the text box 1. So what's in it in your label 1 and in the text box 1, the computer or the code will add it. And then label 1, the text, and then so this will just be print label 2, the text equals. So this is the code in our addition operator. So again, just copy this code because it will just be the same. So put, and then just change this in the minus because we're minusing the other one. So this is for our minus button. So same process you will do. So just change this to our multiplication. Then same in our division. And then after that, let's go back to our design. And then let's go here in our negative button. So we will write a code in here. So first, let's call again our text box 1. That text equals -1. And then let's multiply it to our text box 1 again. So that's the code. So second, let's go to the power button. So let's write a code. So first, call the label 1 again, equals in our, what's in it in our text box 1. And then our label 2, and then our operator to the power. Let me just copy this. Go back to our code, then put it there. And then let's call our text box 1 again. Text box 1 dot text equals, and then that's it. So we're finished writing our code in all our button. So let's try and run this. So let's wait for a moment. So as you can see here, then let's try to add something. Let's just say 5, and then plus. As you can see, when I enter or press the operator, so the first number we enter will be put in our label 1, and then the operator will be put in our label 2. So you can see what number you enter first, and then what operator you use. So 5, and then we use the operator addition. So let's add some numbers like 6, and then let's hit our equal button. So 11. So that is correct. So let's erase that. So let's try the minus. So let's just use this number. So 40, let's say we're minusing it like 20, then hit the equal button. So 20 is the answer. So let's try our multiplication. So 5. So 5 times, let's just say 5, then hit our equal. So the answer is 25. Also correct. And then let's try our division. Let's just say 50 divided by 5. Let's hit our equal button. So 10. So that is the correct answer. So our button and our operator is working perfectly. So lastly we will try these two operators. So let's say 2 the power of 9. Let's hit the equal button. We forgot to put the to the power calculation here. So let's just copy this again, and then pay ups, then paste it again, then change this to the power symbol. That's it. So let's try it again if it's gonna work. So let's say 2, and then this operator to 9, and this is the correct answer. So if you're doubting about this, if it's correct, so you can check it in your calculator. So that this will be proven that my calculations is correct and my code is correct. So let's try this like the negative. Let's say we have -5, and then we add, let's say 10. So supposedly the answer will be 5. So let's see if the answer will be 5. Let's hit our equal button. So that's it. Our answer is equals to 5. So that's it, guys, on how to make a simple calculator in Visual Basic. So I hope you learned something, and good night everyone, and have a rest day. Thank you.